a truss manually and you need to load it from a designated file, to do that, you select Clear Cut List and Import, you select Get Files, and you select where you want to choose your files from and what file you want to cut. Then it'll load the truss. Then you start your cutting procedure and you're done cutting your truss. If you want to key in a part manually, let's say you need one part for one specific job, one got messed up, one got forgotten, the board cracked, whatever the case may be, you click on the key in part. You select what shape you want the board to be. You don't need to worry about what angle you're going to put in yet. You just need to select the shape. For this application, we're just going to go with a rectangle. Double click the one you want, then it pulls up this screen. You need to put the overall length is the overall length of the part you want to cut. For this test, we will say 3 feet. Everything is measured in feet, inches, 1/16 of an inch. So we are going to select 3 feet, 0 inches, 0/16, 3 feet exactly. The stock number is the size of the board that you are loading onto the auto deck. We are going to put in an 8-foot board. It is 8 feet exactly. Here you can select 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, 2x10. We will cut one board. When you have your dimensions put in place, you tap Validate and Draw Part, at which point in time it will validate your part, make sure that no numbers are off or missing, and then you select Add to Cut List. Here at the bottom of the screen is your key in part, 3 feet long, coming out of an 8-foot 2x4.